Hello friends, welcome to Boom Quiz. Today, we have a new challenge, guess the mobile phone brands by ringtones. We prepared 30 questions, and you have 7 seconds to find the answer. Each correct answer, you will get 1 point. Don't forget to like and subscribe Boom Quiz channel. Ready? Go! Round 1, first question, can you guess what this is? Samsung is the correct answer. Round 2, how about this brand? Oppo is correct answer. Round 3s. Do you know this brand? It's Apple. Round is Apple's new and most modern phone line. iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16 Pro Max. B is correct answer. Round 5, can you guess what this is?
Life is good.
LG is correct.
Life is good.
Round 6, not easy. Can you guess this sound? Sony is the correct answer. Round C, Sony and Samsung mobile phone. Which brand is your favorite? Leave a comment below in the comment section. Round 8, can you guess what this is? It's OnePlus. Round 3, how about this one? Wow, Xiaomi is the correct answer. Round 10, Xiaomi. In addition to producing phones, also produces other electronics. Yes. Legendary sound in childhood. Can you guess what this is? Nokia is the correct answer. Round 12. Can you find the different image? Great, this is correct. Round 13. Do you know this brand by sound? Wow, it's real May. Round 14. Realme is a mobile brand of which country? America, China, Korea. B is the correct answer. Round 15. Can you guess this brand by sound? Vivo is correct answer. Round 16. What brand is this? HTC is the correct answer. Round 17. Well-owned, you rather mobile phone brand, HTC or Vivo? Please leave a comment. Sounds so familiar? I think you know it. It's iPhone ringtone in Lenovo. Round 19. Can you guess which brand this is? The correct answer is Mizu. Round 20, which is the correct BlackBerry logo? The second picture is the correct answer. Round 21. Do you know this brand? Google Pixel is correct answer. Round 22, find odd the one out. This here. Round 23, another familiar sound, can you guess? It's Huawei! What brand is this? Asus is the correct answer. Can you guess this brand by sound? Haiku is correct answer. Round 26. What brand is this? Techno is the correct answer. Round 27. Would you rather mobile phone brand? EQ or Techno? Please leave a comment. Round 28. Can you guess this brand's by sound? Panasonic is correct answer. Round 29. What brand is this? Motorola is the correct answer. Round 30. What's your favorite brand? Leave your comments below in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video. Did you have fun? Let us know your score in the comments. See you again soon. To watch more interesting videos, click on 2 videos that appear on the screen. Wow!